Today I'll show you how to turn a normal photo into a dancing video using Viggle AI. First, open your browser and go to Viggle AI's website or open the Viggle app. Now, sign in using your Google or Discord account. Next, choose a dance motion or video template from the library. You can preview different dance styles before selecting one. Now click on Mix. Character image, now click on Device. Upload the photo you want to animate. Make sure the image is clear and front-facing. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds. Viggle AI will turn your image into a dancing video automatically. Once it's ready, download and share your dancing video. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks.